Welcome to this brief guide on how to use Presenter Coach in Microsoft Teams. PowerPoint Presenter Coach is an amazing tool to help you better prepare for your future meetings. But should you already be inside a Teams meeting, Presenter Coach is now available there to help give you real-time feedback. Today I'll show you how this works. Here I am inside my Teams meeting, and I'm currently presenting using the PowerPoint Live feature. And utilizing the ellipsis menu, I can select from an option about halfway down the drop-down menu that says Turn on Speaker Coach. Selecting this option will enable Speaker Coach for myself in this meeting. Now, it can potentially take a couple of seconds for the Speaker Coach to be activated, but once it's activated, you'll get a pop-up notification at the top of your window to let you know that Speaker Coach has started listening. It will analyze your speech and give you private feedback. This is for you and you alone. Now, as I was to begin talking during my presentation, Speaker Coach is going to do the same sorts of things it does if I was using it inside PowerPoint, where it will pick up on potentially non-inclusive language, such as saying things such as "you guys," as you can see here in this demonstration. I've also done a few other things while I've been talking in this presentation, so it'll notice that, hey, you're speaking a little bit too quick. Maybe you should be slowing down. These are all features that we're used to seeing in the Presenter Coach inside PowerPoint itself. Now, once you've finished utilizing the Speaker Coach, you can use the ellipsis menu and turn off Speaker Coach directly from the drop-down menu, or simply leaving the meeting just like normal will also disable Speaker Coach from there. Now, the question you might ask is, how do I see my Speaker Coach results? You can see them from inside the actual meeting invite itself, but you'll also get a lovely little activity notification to let you know, hey, your Speaker Coach report is available. This should happen directly after you leave the meeting. Inside the Speaker Coach presentation report, you'll be able to see things such as your repetitive language, including little markers in the presentation as to when it was that you were seen utilizing these things, such as using filler words or speaking a little bit too quickly. You'll also have things such as intonation and monologue. Monologue is a great one, which lets you know that you're speaking for too long by yourself and not allowing other people necessarily to be able to participate in the discussion. Now, if you prefer to use Speaker Coach for every single one of your meetings, you can actually enable the radio toggle shown here, which will allow you to set this for all of your meetings. Please note this is a feature just for yourself. And that is how you use the Presenter Coach directly inside Microsoft Teams. Hope you found this tip useful and it makes all your presentations in the future just that much better, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.